Good morning, students. Last we started our chapter number 3, that is human body. In that we saw that skeletal system is what we were looking for, and the skeletal system is made up of cartilage and bones. Okay, the bones we saw they are in 4 parts. Okay, we saw the skull, rib cage, the spine and the limbs. Okay, those are the 4 parts of our skeletal system in the human body. Now we move on to the joints. Now in joints, why do we need joints? What are joints? Now when two bones are joined together, that part where that region where the bone is joined is called as a joint. Okay beta? So where the place where two bones are joining are called, that place is called as a joint. Now why is there a need to join? Why? Because see, as we saw in the skeletal system that our bones are all in parts and pieces, है ना? They are not fully as a whole. In the upper arm, say you have 1 bone here, 2 here, then 8 bones here. Okay, so ways and so on. So our bones are smaller and in parts, and in order to make it more flexible, that is done, है ना? अगर एक पूरा straight bone होता तो what would happen? I could not bend it from here. Okay, that is why our bones are in parts. Now it is very important that these bones which are in parts are joined so that they can move as a whole, है ना? When I am using this, I can feel that these both bones are moving. These both are working together. So to make them work together, they have to be joined. But since they are hard, isn't it? They are hard. You cannot just join them like that. So for joining you need muscles, you need flesh, you need some joining part, and that joining is done with a tissue, okay, which is called as ligament. Okay, so with the help of ligament, two bones are joined, and the place where the bones are joined, that place is called as a joint. So this is a joint. Okay, this is a joint. This is a joint. So everywhere the bones are joined with the help of tissue, that is ligament. Okay, and this is known as joints. The place where the bones are joined is called as a joint. So let's see how there are 4 different types of joints in our body. Okay, there are 4 different types of joints in the human body. So let's learn about them here. The first that we are going to learn is ball and socket joint. Now ball is circular and socket is your electrical plugs where you put in. So how is that? It has perfect holes wherein your plug fits, isn't it? So that is called a socket. So same ways here, your bone is in the shape of a ball, okay, and your socket is such that it will correctly fit into it. So this is how a ball and a socket joint is fixed or it is attached. Okay, now where is this ball and socket joint found? It is found here in your shoulder and at your hips. Okay, so what this ball and socket joint is actually doing is it is joining your limbs to your torso, your body. Okay, this is your main body and your hands and legs are joined to your main body at this ball and socket joint. Now how does that work? One bone, that is the femur here, isn't it? The upper bone in the arm is, the upper bone in the arm is called the humerus, isn't it? So this humerus is having a ball kind of a shape. Okay, it is rounded. If you see in the textbook, picture is given beta. So the upper end of the humerus is ball shape and it will fit in the socket of my shoulder here. So So what happens is, because it is a ball shape, it can rotate however I want it. जैसे चाहिए ऐसा movement होता है. And this is why my hand can move, my arm can move as I want it. है ना, मैं इसको ऐसे गोल कैसे भी घुमा सकती हूँ. Why? Because my hand is having a ball and socket joint. Same thing, my leg, my bone here is called femur. This is also like a ball and it is fitting into the socket of the pelvic joint, pelvic girdle, that is also called pelvic girdle. So that in that pelvic girdle my femur bone is fixed, and so I can easily move my legs. Okay, my limbs, my hands and my legs are easily movable because of the ball and socket joint. Okay beta, so that was the ball and socket joint situated in the shoulder and the hip girdle. Okay, so this was about the ball and socket joint. Next is hinge joint. Now hinge is something which is used in your doors. Okay, आपके दरवाजे जो घर के हैं, they shut and open, shut and open. Do they come the other way? No, है ना, वो ऐसे और ऐसे 90 डिग्री घूमते, they don't go the whole thing. Why? Because of the hinge. Okay, so this hinge is something which is allowing your doors to open and shut. Okay, so in the same way, my joint here in the elbow, it is allowing my hand, lower hand, to come here, isn't it? It does not go the other way round. ऐसे नीचे ऐसा उल्टा कर सकती हूँ? No, I cannot do that. It is only coming like this. Okay, 180 degree. This is 180 degree. Straight, it is straight and it is coming here. Okay, so I can say my hand can touch here only because of the hinge joint which is located here in the elbow. Okay, it will allow my arm to fold up like this. Okay, it cannot go the other way round, नीचे नहीं जाता है. Okay, so this kind of a joint is called hinge joint. Same ways, my fingers, they are also coming in. Okay, can I bend them like this? पीछे आएंगे? No. So this is also hinge joint. Okay बेटा, so my fingers, my elbow, my ankle and my toes are all having hinge joint, wherein it can only fold and open like the door. Okay, so this was about the hinge joint. Next we have pivot joint. Now this pivot joint is situated in between my skull and my spine or the backbone. Okay, so in between my skull and my backbone is the pivot joint. Okay, so my neck, okay, is actually my joining place of skull and the backbone. Okay, this is my spine pivot joint. This allows me movement like down, up and sideways. Okay, can I twist my face? No. So with this pivot joint, I can only do down, up and sideways motion. Okay, this is the pivot joint. Pivot joint is only here, which is joining your skull to your backbone. Okay beta. Next we come to the gliding joint. Now this gliding joint, as the name suggests, gliding यानी slide होना. Okay, gliding means this sliding effect. So where does it work? It is in the wrists, okay, and at your ankle, in your leg. So what happens here is beta, there are 8 bones in total. छोटे छोटे 8 bone है. 4 are situated up and 4 are down. Okay, now जब ये आगे जाएगा तो ये पीछे हो जाएगा, ऐसा स्लाइडिंग एंड ग्लाइडिंग मूवमेंट. दिस इज स्लाइडिंग ग्लाइडिंग. ओके, ये 4 ऊपर के आगे जाएंगे तो ये पीछे जाएंगे, और इस तरह से क्या होता है, आई कैन इजीली मूव माई रिस्ट. ओके, मेरा रिस्ट इजीली क्यों घूम रहा है, बिकॉज देर आर 4 बोन्स हियर, 4 बोन्स हियर. तो ये अगर पीछे जाएंगे तो ये आगे आ जाएंगे, ये अगर पीछे आए ये आगे आ जाएंगे. सो इन दिस वे दे आर स्लाइडिंग एंड ग्लाइडिंग and giving me motion. Okay, this movement is helping done because of the sliding of the bones here. That is your gliding motion, and hence the name gliding joint, wherein your bones are gliding over one another and giving you movement. Okay, so this is in the wrist and your ankle. Okay beta. So these two are the joints which are gliding joints. So we saw 4 joints today: ball and socket joint, hinge joint, pivot joint and gliding joint. Okay, so please read and again revise this much part. Okay, that's it.